Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to install and set up OBS Studio. Then I will show you the best settings for recording and streaming. Follow me step by step and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Now OBS Studio is installed and working correctly. This is the settings to record and stream with high quality and no lag. And for the bitrate you have to choose depends on your internet connection upload. This is it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe if this video helped you. See you next video.